In this video, we're going to talk about an important aspect of managing your website with VEVS, setting up and managing the cookie consent box. This is a crucial step to ensure you're following best practices for user privacy and complying with GDPR regulations. By adding a cookie banner to your website, you can inform your visitors about the cookies your site uses to track their activity and behavior. More importantly, it allows you to request their consent before these cookies are activated, ensuring that your visitors are aware and have agreed to the use of their data. VEVS websites, depending on the specific product you're using, typically use functional cookies. These cookies are essential for features like making a reservation, allowing your website to function smoothly for your users. To enable and manage your cookie consent banner, simply go to the website menu, navigate to the app's submenu, and click on the cookie policy link. From here, you can easily toggle the cookie consent banner on or off and customize its content to match your needs. You also have several options for how and when the banner is displayed. For example, you can choose to show it every time a visitor comes to your site, after 30 days from their first visit, or never show it again once they've given their consent. These options themselves require the use of a cookie to remember the visitor's preference. Additionally, your website might include cookies from third-party applications, like Google Analytics or Google Maps. It's important to provide information about these cookies as well, so your visitors are fully informed about all data being collected. Thank you for tuning in. If you need any help setting up your cookie consent box or have any questions about managing your VEVS website, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're here to assist you every step of the way.